Hi all, today we are going to study about number system and specifically in number system about rule for divisibility. So these tricks are useful when the given number is more than a 3-digit number and you are required to check its divisibility. So the first one is to check whether the number is divisible by 2. The last digit or the digit at one's place must be even. So generally if you take a number 68, the last digit is 8, it is an even number. So it will be divisible by 2. Taking a much more bigger number, that is 4832, the last number is 2, that is even. So definitely it will be divisible by 2. Next is to check whether the number is divisible by 3. The sum of digit must be divisible by 3. So if the given number is, for example, say 552, you just need to add all these 3 digits. 5 plus 5 plus 2. It is 12. So 12 is exactly divisible by 3. Then we can say that 552 is divisible by 3. Next is to check the divisibility of 4. The last 2 digits must be divisible by 4. Let us take an example of 96836. So here the last 2 digit is 36. So if the last 2 digits say 36 is divisible by 4, then we can say that this entire number is divisible by 4. Next is divisibility of 5. It is very easy. If the last digit is 0 or 5, then it will be definitely divisible by 5. Example 25, 66625. These all numbers are divisible by 5. Divisibility of 6. Number divisible by 2 and 3. So it is and 3. That means that particular number must not only be divisible by 2, but it should be divisible by 3 as well. So let us take an example 3672. The last number is 2, so it is definitely divisible by 2. To check whether it is divisible by 3, we need to add all the number. So 3 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2. It is 18. So 18 is a perfect divisible of 3. Then we can say 3672 is a divisible by 6. Next is divisibility of 7. Difference between twice the last number and the number formed by remaining digit is 0, or the number formed should be divisible by 7. That is, I'll explain you through an example. Let us take a number 658. Okay. So the number, that is the first digit number, should be doubled. That is 2 into 8 is 16. Okay. So the remaining number is what? 65. So now we have to subtract 65 minus 16. We get 49. So 49 is exactly divisible by 7. Then we can say that the number 658 is divisible by 7. Moving on to the next one, that is 8. The last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Let us take an example of 96120. So the last 3 digit is 120. We know that 120 is exactly divisible by 8. Then this entire number will also be divisible by 8. Moving on to the next one, that is divisibility of 9. If the sum of digit is divisible by 9, then it is obviously divisible by 9. So let's take an example of 8,1,2,7,4,5. So let's add 8 plus 1 plus 2 plus 7 plus 4 plus 5. It is 27. So 27 is exactly divisible by 9. So this entire number is divisible by 9. I hope this trick is easy and clear for you. Moving on to the next one. Divisibility of 10. the last digit should be 0. Any number ending with 0, that is 4600, 78000, these all numbers will be divisible by 10. Then talking about divisibility of 11. The difference of sum of its odd place digits and even place digit is 0, or the number is divisible by 11. That means you need to take a number. Say for example, I'll take 30426. Okay. So now you have to group this number into odd digit number and even digit number. Now let us take 30426. So ones place, or we'll number it 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. So see, 1 3 5, these are odd digit place number, that is 3 plus 4 plus 6. It will be 13. Next 0 2. These are even digit number. 0 plus 2 is 2. Now you need to subtract both this number. So 13 minus 2 is how much? It is 11. So 11 is exactly divisible by 11. Then you can say the given number, that is 30,426, is exactly divisible by 11. So moving on to our next concept, that is factor. What do you mean by factor? A number which divides a given number exactly is called a factor of the given number. Say for example, we'll take number 10. Okay, we'll take example number 10. In which all tables can we see number 10? We'll start from 1. We cannot start a factor from 0 because 0 is not a factor of any number. So in one table we'll get 10. What about 2? In 2 also we'll get number 10. 3 it is not possible. 4 also it is not possible. Next will be 5. 6, 7, 8, 9 all are not possible. And the last term will be 10. So these numbers are called factors of number 10. So 1, 2, 5, 10 are factors of number 10. There are some important notes to be remembered. That is, a number is a factor of itself. See here, given number is 10. 10 is also its factor. So a number will be a factor of itself. 1 is a factor of every number. You can take any number from the number series. 1 definitely will be its factor. 1 is the smallest factor of all the number. Here you can see 1 is the smallest factor of 10. So it is the smallest factor of all the numbers in our number system. The greatest factor of a number is the number itself. See here, in this series, the last digit is 10 and 10 is also the greatest number. So you can take any number, its greatest factor will be the number itself. A factor cannot be greater than the given number. So here you can see, is there any number greater than 10? No. So always a factor, so greatest factor will be the number itself, and no any other factor can exceed the given number. Last point is, the number of factors of a number are finite. Finite means countable. It cannot be infinite numbers. So here see, 1, 2, 3, 4, these are countable numbers. So the factors of any number will be always finite. Let us solve an example. Let's take the number 20. Let us find out the factors. How do we find factors? We should always start from the number 1. Okay. So 1 into 20 is 20. Next is 2. 2 into 10 is also 20. Then what about 3? It is not possible. 4 into 5 is also 20. So again 5 we need not repeat because it is already written. So 5 4 is 20. Then 6 is not possible. 7, 8, 9 is not possible. Again 10. 10 2 20. Then directly to 20. So factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Okay. So now moving on to the number of factors of a number. How do we find how many numbers of factor does a term have? If n is a composite number, what is a composite number? The numbers other than the prime numbers are called as composite numbers. Okay. Then n can be written as a raised to m, b power n, c raised to o. And where a, b, c are prime factors of n, then the number of factors of n can be solved using this formula, that is m plus 1 into n plus 1 into o plus 1. So I will solve this using an example. We'll take the same example. Here we have solved already for the number 20. Okay. So we need to find prime factors of number n. Here I will take n is equal to 20. Okay. Let us take the prime factorization of 20. So 20. We have to always start from the least prime number. 1 is not a prime number. So we have to start from 2. 2 10s is 20. Then again 2 5s are. Then 5 1s are. Okay. So factors of 20 will be 2 into 2 into 5, which can be written in the form of power 2 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 1. Okay. So here we get m is equal to 2 and your n is equal to 1. Let us substitute here. 20 is equal to m value is 2 plus 1, n value is 1 plus 1. There is no third term, so we can neglect this o plus 1 term. So we will get 3 into 2, that is 6. So how many number of factors does 20 have? 6 number of factors. So come, let us verify this. So here we already wrote the factors of 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So hence it is proved. So this is an important formula that you can use to find the number of factors that any number can possess. I hope these tricks were useful for you, and for more related videos, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.